Hi you guys, all my still sexy over 60 sisters. It's me, Christallin, your proactive conscious aging lifestyle coach. How are you guys doing today? I'm joyful in the Lord and in the power of His might. So today we're going to do something fun. This is going to be a double mask task. If you can get to that. And so the reason why I'm calling it that, because I've got two different kind of masks that I'm going to use today. I have the Freeman cucumber mask. I also have the Wonder Baggage Claim Gold mask for under my eyes. And I think it'll be so much fun to do both of them. But before I get started, you know, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and ring the notification bell so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you so much. And without further ado, let's just get started. I see I gotta show you my new cat. One of my new cats, Precious, wants to make her debut in the video. Say hi, Precious. We just adopted two kittens. We got Precious, and we have Eve, and we have Diamante on the way on Sunday. So we're getting, well, we've gotten two new kittens, and we're getting one on Sunday. So, and then we have one older one, Rapscallion, who will be 15 on the 24th of this month. So we got a full house of cats, and we wouldn't have it any other way. So now you're introduced to little Precious. So let me just get started. I'm going to use this cucumber mask today, Freeman's cucumber mask, and it is a gel mask. It's a peel-off mask. So in case you haven't used one like this before, now I'm going to show you how to do it. So let me just take off the remnants of this makeup. I still have some eye makeup on from earlier. And I'm just going to take that off with my lovely Jergens all-purpose face cream. You know I love this face cream, you guys. Jergens is going to have to be another company that starts compensating me pretty soon, right? So I love this cream because it's so awesome. It gently lifts the makeup off of your skin. And see, I can even use it under my eyes. And that's what I want. I don't want to have to rub my skin. It's not good to have to rub your skin. We want to be very gentle with our skin. So then I just take that off with this cotton pad. That. So I'll tell you a little bit about cucumber, because cucumber is an excellent source of antioxidants. Did you know that? It has a lot of vitamin C, and it's very, very hydrating. So whether you drink the cucumber juice or whether you eat it, however you get it into you, it's going to be very hydrating. And of course, we want to make sure that our skin stays hydrated, and especially as we get older, because that is one of the main things that cause wrinkles on our face. And sometimes people didn't know that. Did you know that? That a lot of times dehydration is what causes you to get wrinkles, not just because you're getting so old. I'm going to have to use a little eye makeup remover too, I guess. Oh, wait, maybe not. We'll see. Yeah, dehydration is a big problem. So we want to make sure we stay hydrated. Now in one of these videos, I'm actually going to juice some cucumber for you. And you can see the cucumber has so much water. It's just like almost like watermelon, you know. And even though it's so much water, it has a lot of vitamins and the wonderful antioxidants that we all need to stay youthful and have our skin looking good. So there we go. That's the rest of that makeup. But as you know, the eyelashes aren't going anywhere, right? So I chose this one today because often we see people, use mud masks in the videos, but I don't see people using the peel-off mask that much. And then plus I wanted to introduce you to the cucumber, okay? Now, you may be familiar with seeing cucumber. People use cucumber slices on their eyes, like at the spa, and like whenever they show that on TV. The reason why is because cucumber is so cooling, and so it takes down it takes down inflammation. That's another one we want to watch out for, is inflammation. Half of our problem as we get old is inflammation. Okay, I'm going to use my lovely Core 7 brush and just get the rest of my face clean. Here, I need a little bit more, so I'm using the Asano Rose Hip Cleanser. And, okay. Again, you don't want to use this brush too hard. You don't want to press down on your skin because the brush is doing the work. You don't have to press down on it. So I'm getting a nice exfoliation with this. There. And I'll just rinse that out. I hope you guys watch my Asano review and my Core 7 review. And I have another good review for you coming up pretty soon. Another interesting review, because if you remember, I showed you the little Flawless mini freezer. Mini fridge, so I'm going to review that one too. So lots to look forward to, you guys. Just stick around. So I make sure I get all my makeup off, which is what I want you to do. Make sure you get your makeup off before you use this mask. I really kind of like to review and tell you about the things that I'm using, because I think all these little finds that I'm finding are really awesome. I got this little tiny mini washcloth from the Dollar Tree store. And they came like about 3 of them in a pack for $1. And I also found them at Family Dollar store too. So, first you take your makeup off. Make sure you start all your skincare routines with a clean skin. Pat dry like that. And this hair is bothering me, so I have to go like that and put it up in there. Okay, all right. So I'm all clean, and I'm just going to show you this. This mask is a very thick gel. So let me come up here so you can see it. It's really nice, and it's very thick. So you don't want to use like a really thick coat though, because if you do, it will take forever for it to dry. So as you can see, can you see? You want to put on about like a medium coat. And you can tell when you put it on if it's too thick or not. And this is going to stay on your skin for about 10 to 15 minutes and while it's drying. Boy, it feels so good. It's so cooling. And this mask also contains aloe vera for you aloe vera lovers out there. I just put a little bit over my lip, like that. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to put some on my forehead. This is what it should look like. Not too thick, not too thin. You want to have it on for about 10 to 15 minutes max. Wow, the smell of it is just really nice. So that's our first mask that I'm going to use today. But remember, this is a double mask task. So we're going to do two things at once. So, you know, the last eye mask that I showed you were the patchology masks, right? And I said I was going to compare them to some other masks and compare I have been doing. All right. I guess I'm going to have to do an actual comparison video because I have tried 3 different ones and I'd like to show you which one I like the best and why. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you these. Now these are by Wander Beauty and they're called Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Now I got these on Amazon because I just wanted to try some gold eye masks just to see how I like them. And so I got these. And guess what? I really like them. Something about these little eye gels, well they call them eye masks. I'm going to show you. They're really nice. They're big for one thing. Look how big that is. Oh, and you know, it feels so good. It feels like it's holding on to my under eye. If I'm explaining that the way you can understand it, but it's not just sitting there. It's actually like a little grip or something. You know, look at that. I mean, they feel really, really good. So right now, between the eye mask and the gel mask, my face really feels like it's getting a nice treatment. So that's what these look like. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go lay down for about 15 minutes, and when this dries, I'll come back and see you then. Okay? All right.